What's up everybody? Today we're gonna do a little more testing with the Leica M10-D. So I've passed the camera over to my wife, Joyce Yung, who's a photographer here in Hong Kong. And she's gonna do we're gonna do a little before and after. So I'm gonna get her first impressions of just kind of taking a look at it. Then she's gonna go shoot around. And then afterwards, she can tell me what she thinks of the camera. All right. Hey dear.
Hey.
How's the camera?
Good. Yeah, so just started playing with the Leica M10-D. It's pretty awesome. I mean, just right off the bat, looks amazing. You know, looks like a great mix of a traditional nostalgic film camera and with the digital functions. So Leica does that really well, of course. Just, you know, taking out a box, playing with it, you know, transitioning from any DSLR, pocket camera, or even phone camera, I think it's really easy to pick up and work with it. The main three things of getting the right exposure for the photo is really the ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. And it is, you know, all three of them are right on your fingertip. Here, here, and here. You can do it manually, or it does two of the things automatically.
All right, cool. Well, let me know how it goes.
Okay, cool. Yep. Hey.
Hands up.
Yeah, it's good. Been, you know, playing with it for about an hour. It's really nice. Love the picture quality. The color looks so good, and of course it has that filmic feel to it. So that's what Leica does really well. And what I mentioned before, the three levers to get the right exposure, very easy to execute. Just two main things that if you're not used to Leica type of camera, it's a bit takes a little bit of adjusting. One is getting focus. First, you have to look through the viewfinder, and it's a range finder type of focus, so it's a little harder. And two is you don't get to review the photos, not on this model anyway, so the M10-D. You do have to kind of make sure you're getting things right, you know, focus, exposure, and getting the right framing. And it is actually quite nice. It forces me to be a little more selective, I must say. And it makes you appreciate back in the days when it's, you know, people shooting on film, how much harder it is to, and how much more precious it is with one roll of film. You get those frames, you get it right, and you get it, you know, go to the lab and then see what the results are. Yeah, so it's a great experience. Nice to go back to that, and then it goes to the app, and you can review the photos. So at least you have that. You can also shoot with the app, but I think it's much better to have, you know, feel it this way.
All right, so that's a first look at the Leica M10-D. Thanks, Joyce, for doing that test. So stay tuned for later vlogs of the full review. If you're interested in that, please subscribe, turn on the notifications so you know when that review is coming out. Just to remind everybody, this is a daily vlog, so it covers different things. But so you're more than welcome. If you just came here for the Leica review, then you can probably click away. But if you want to see a little bit more, then I'm actually headed over to a film ceremony over here in Hong Kong. It's an awards. It's the first ever for a lot of these new up-and-coming 2018 short film directors and filmmakers. So I'm excited to go check it out, and here we go. So I'm putting on this jacket so I look a little bit more presentable. So I got here a little late. I do have VIP seating, but I guess that's what happens when you don't get here early.
As we herald a new era for our film industry, in all, we have received more than 1,800 submissions from institutions all across the world.
Right, so that's Johnny To. He has directed a lot of Hong Kong movies. All right, so congrats to all the awards recipients. I'm over here at Hong Kong Baptist University. This is where my cinematographer always went. He's a local Hong Kong guy, really, really talented. Yeah, that's it for the night. I'm gonna go back and edit this this puppy, and stay tuned for a full review of the Leica M10-D. I'm not sure if it's going to come in the next vlog, but so stay subscribed and definitely turn on notifications if you're interested in that camera. And more vlogs to come. I'm learning a ton, so it's really good. And I'd love to hear in the comments what you guys think, and feedback on everything, anything from the content, things you want to know. Definitely open and interested. All right, see ya.